Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the important topic in chemical bonding. So be with me in the end of the video. So we will start today chemical bonding. The short trick to understand the number of sigma and pi bonds, how to understand it. So let us start. So the formula of this, the formula of number of sigma bond will be, first you have to count the number of carbon atoms. You have to subtract -1 from it. Subtract -1. Number of carbon atoms -1 plus number of other atom. Example number 1 will be there. First 1, 2, 3. Number of carbon atoms are counted. Sigma bond is equal to 3 minus 1 plus number of other atoms 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Sigma bonds are there. Let me check this formula that it is correct or not. Write this CH2 double bond C double bond O H. Now count 1, 2. You have to remember that if single bond is present, then it is sigma bond. If double bond is present, one is sigma and one is pi. And if triple bond is present, then one is sigma, other two one will be pi. Clear? So here 1, 2. Okay. From these two, one will be counted 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. 8 is the right answer. Okay. The number of pi bonds is 1 and 2. Then 2 pi bonds are there. 8 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds are there. Let me take one more example. Example number 2. First of all, count number of carbon atoms. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Sigma bond formula is equal to 6 minus 1 plus number of other atom 1, 2, 3, and 4. 6 minus 1 will be 4 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 sigma bonds. And how many pi bonds are there? To this 2, 2, 4, 1, 7, 5, 5 to 7, and this 9. Okay, 9 pi bonds are there. Clear? Next will be C2H2. So C2H2, let me draw the structure of C2H2. C triple bond C H and H. Pi bond, sigma bond are there. 2 minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2, 3 sigma bond. Count 1, 2, and 3. How many pi bonds are there? 2 pi bonds are there. This is the very simple trick to find the sigma and pi bonds. Next structure is C2H4. Count number of sigma bonds. You can say there are 2 minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 sigma bond will be there. Count 1, 2, 3. In both of this, 1 will be there. 4, 1, 2, 3, and 1 will be there 4. Okay, 1 plus 4, and then 5 will be the sigma bond. And how many pi bond? 1 will be the pi bond. Clear, guys? 1 will be the pi bond. Next example is of benzene contain rings. That is, this formula will not apply on this, because first we have to count the number of carbon-carbon bonds and number of carbon-hydrogen bonds. So let me start to count this. This formula will not work here. So first of all, count carbon-carbon bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 sigma bond, and next carbon-hydrogen bond will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The highlighted part, 9. The total number will be 19 sigma bonds are there. Okay, this is a simple trick. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.